I won't make it easy for you now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maya. Thank you for joining me today. If you're old, thank you for coming back to watch this tutorial. And today's video is going to be about this look I have here. It's going to be a voiceover, and so stay tuned and see how I achieve this beautiful look. And guys, I also realized we reached over 300 subscribers. Hey. Thank you all very much. Please keep sharing my video, watching, and for y'all who come here and watch my videos and don't subscribe, you're actually rude. You are rude. Please subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Yeah, and so let's just get straight into the video. I'll see you at the end. I am going in with a spoolie to brush out my eyebrows to have a clear outline, and then I'm using the NYX brow pencil to draw my eyebrow, and I'm going in with the spoolie just to make sure the edges are not harsh, and I'll be doing the same thing for my second brow. And you might want to hold your brow pencil lightly so that you could get the stroke effect. And then I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop to clean up the edges of my eyebrow, and I'm in the shade 15.6 as well, just to clean it out very well so that you can get a very seamless eyebrow and a natural one. And I'm going in with the same concealer just to prep my eye for my eyeshadow. And I'm now going to blend it out with a Dumb Beauty blender so that I could prep it and set it for my eyeshadow as well. And I'm now, for my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution London. Every color I'm going to pick will come from that eyeshadow palette. I really love it. And I'm going in with a darker shade just to darken the color, just to darken the transition. And blend, guys, blend. And I'm going in with my lid color, a shimmery shade. I really like the color. It's kind of gold, kind of, I don't know, but it's not pink, but it's not gold. I really like it. Now I'm just going in to deepen my outer line, and then I'm just using a mascara I bought from drugstore, and then with my NYX false lash. Yeah, I actually did this off camera because it was quite difficult putting it on. And as you can see, I've already gone in with my NYX Prep and Prime Hydrating Finish. And then I actually just bought this Sephora foundation, which I pretty much love. It's my first time trying it out, and I loved how it turned out. I really like the finish it gave me. And if you already watch my videos, you know I always go in with my foundation to clean the top of my brows because it makes it more seamless. And then I'm going back in with my NYX concealer just to highlight my face and the bridge of my nose, just so that when light hits my face, it could just capture that part, my forehead, under my eyes, the bridge of my nose. And guys, you can see, I don't know if I guess I'm the only one, but there is this. Okay, let me just say what I'm doing here. I'm just highlighting, I'm just setting the highlight I put there. Yeah, I'm not going to bake, but just to set it and then go ahead and do the, yeah. And guys, I'm sorry because I could see a reflection on where my highlight is. Guys, I don't have runny nose, but anytime I'm applying makeup, that is when my body or my nose feels like it's the right time to run. It's really annoying. And I'm going in with my Inglot contour powder, and I'm just going to contour my face so that my face become a little bit slimmer. And then when the light hits my face, it's actually going to also help it to just make my highlighted place be seen. And guys, I can see that there was a reflection. I don't know if it was a reflection of a mirror, but you could see a shadow on my contour. You would think I didn't blend it out. Guys, I really did blend it out well, but I don't know what's going on over there. But hey, and I'm going to contour the bridge of my nose as well, just to have a thinner nose. And reverse contour, that way my contour can really pop out. Now I'm going back in with my Inglot loose powder just to blend everything out. And I'm going back in with the color I used for my outer corner just to blend out under my eyes. And I'm going back in with my NYX Ultimate just to highlight the inner corner of my eyes.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time.
Oh, this thing is so affordable but really pigmented. I got it from H&M and it's in the shade Spice and Pepper. I don't usually do blush because it's not something I don't know, I've never liked, I don't know, but for the purpose of this video I just went in with a little bit, and I'm just highlighting my cheeks and also my brow bone. I realized the highlighter on my nose was a lot. And I'm going back in with that NYX lip pencil just to outline my lip. And then I'm going in with a soft matte nude color. I'm going more for a nude look. And then just a clear lip glow just to soften the lips. So we are back with the finished look. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this. If there's anything particular you want to see me do, just leave it in the comment section. Follow me on my socials, which is going to be in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, and thank you all very much once again. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, what am I even saying? If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends, share with your family, your enemies, your enemies' enemies, your mutual enemies. Share with everybody, okay? And don't forget to subscribe. Pretty please. Yeah. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
I want to show you something. If you want my money and you're dropping in mommy, me sipping in mommy. I want to show you something. If you want my money and